Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe with Supabase. So let's get started. First, you gotta make sure you have active accounts on both Stripe and Supabase. Then go to your Stripe dashboard, open the developers section and generate your secret API key. Copy it so you can use it in your project. Next, you're gonna install the required Stripe and Supabase SDKs in your project environment. If you're using Node.js and the necessary packages so your application can communicate with both services properly. After that, initialize Stripe and Supabase inside your code. Set up the Supabase client and the Stripe instance so both are ready to be used in your application logic. Now create your payment flow. Decide whether you want one-time payments or subscriptions. If you're using Stripe checkout, generate a checkout session in your backend and connect it to your payment process. Then sync your payment data with Supabase using webhooks. Set up a webhook listener to capture events like a completed checkout session and update or insert that data into your Supabase database. Finally, test everything in Stripe test mode by making a simple payment and checking if Supabase records it correctly. Once confirmed, switch to live mode. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.